Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the unboxing of the Hohem iSteady Q. So first, let me start with unpacking it, and then I'm gonna tell you something about this little device here. So first, let me open it. Here what we see is this. I'll show it to you later. But first, what we have here is a user manual. So let me place it right here. And last but not least from the box, we have the iSteady Q itself. So now, let me tell you about it, but before that, I'll show you what's inside this little box. So let me quickly open it. And here first what we have is a USB-C charging cable. And the second thing that is inside of here, and the last thing, is this little storage box. It's a storage pouch and you can put your device right here. Now let me tell you something about this little device. Basically it's a single axis gimbal and it has an extendable selfie stick. So let me show you real quick. As you guys can see here, it makes as a tripod. We can try and, as you guys can see, place it. We'll try it. Now as you guys can see, it holds up. And now if you want the selfie stick, what you need to do is just simply push it. And now, as you guys can see, we have the selfie stick. Now, if you want to unlock it, simply switch this little button. And now, as you guys can see, it has a 360-degree rotation and tracking on the app. So basically, it has a wireless remote from your app on your device, either an iPhone or an Android. Both are supported. Now, what it also has is a quick roll switch in the app, so it basically goes from this to this in a matter of a couple of seconds. So that would be it. It's pretty interesting and it might be a competition for the DJI. And that was it from me. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.